Hey everyone! Welcome to our tutorial on how to earn money from ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a language model trained by OpenAI, and it allows users to interact with it through chat. But did you know that you can also earn money through ChatGPT? In this tutorial, we will walk you through the steps to earn money from ChatGPT. Step 1. Sign up for ChatGPT to start earning money from ChatGPT. You first need to sign up for an account. Go to chatgpt.com and click on the Sign Up button. You will need to provide your name and email address to create an account. Step 2. Start chatting with ChatGPT. Once you have signed up, you can start chatting with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is designed to have conversations with users, and it can provide information, answer questions, and even offer suggestions. You can chat with ChatGPT as often as you like, and the more you chat, the more money you can earn. Step 3. Earn rewards for chatting with ChatGPT. ChatGPT rewards users for chatting with it. Every time you chat with ChatGPT, you earn points, which can be redeemed for money. The more points you accumulate, the more money you can earn. Step 4. Redeem your points for money. Once you have accumulated enough points, you can redeem them for money. ChatGPT offers several payment options, including PayPal and bank transfer. Simply select your preferred payment method and provide the necessary details to receive your payment. Conclusion. Congratulations! You have learned how to earn money from ChatGPT. Remember, the more you chat with ChatGPT, the more money you can earn. So why not start chatting today and earn some extra cash? Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one.